Hello everyone and welcome. My name is NikkaNadia. We are learning a belly dance lockdown. Starting with our belly dance posture. The lower back is long, lower belly is lifted, chest is open, and arms are out to the sides, knees are soft. We are taking our hips and instead of accenting side, where the hip kind of lifts up a bit, we are going to be accenting down, 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 down. So this is called a lockdown. As I bend into my right knee, if you're mirroring me, this will be your left knee. Bend this knee and press this hip down. So this line of your pants or skirt is going to a diagonal. Now we're going to bend the other knee, keeping my chest lifted and not letting my shoulders go away, and bending into your right knee and letting that hip go down while the other hip comes up. So you'll notice as you bend one knee, the other leg straightens, not quite all the way, and the other hip comes up. Then you bend the other knee. And here, the key is to not go into your arch too much. We need to keep some control and engagement. So I'm going side to side, or rather down and down, 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 but I'm not letting it go back. Okay, let's try it again. Think about this oblique getting long and this sideways lengthening down. Other side, down. Lock down, 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 and down. Keep going, down. 2, 3, 4, chest is up. 6, 7, 8, again, down. 2, you can move down with it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, double time, down, 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 down. Good. So with a lockdown, we can travel this. Okay, so coming up onto our toes, we practiced this before, where we go side to side. I want us to practice just one hip today. Another day we'll do both and do the Zaki step. Today we're going to be just practicing one hip down. Come up onto your toes. As you step this foot out, you're going to lift the hip and then down, in, down, in, down, 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 and switch. This hip goes down as we step. Down, 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 and now the other way. We go down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, breathing. 7, 8, switching down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to your spot. In the center, we go down. 2, 3, 4. Faster, down. 2, 3, 4. Slow. 2, 3, 4. Faster, down. 2, 3, 4. Slow. 2, 3, 4. Faster, da, 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 da. Last time, slow. 2, 3, 4. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. So notice that when I lock my hip down, I'm keeping my torso and chest nice and lifted and still, not going with or side to side or down as I move my hips. So check yourself out in the mirror, maybe take a video of yourself, noticing how you're doing it as you go down, side, down, 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 other way, down, 2, 3, 4, down, 2, 3, 4. Let's practice traveling one more time, side to side, coming on up and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, switching down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and relax. So you should feel your obliques working very hard, nice and stretched out. Maybe you'll even feel it tomorrow. Thank you all so much for joining. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you in one of the next videos soon.